In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the rulers in Adobe Acrobat on both PC and Mac. Whether you're preparing a document for print or just need precision in your PDF layout, knowing how to utilize the ruler tool can be immensely helpful, and once you master it, your document management will become a lot more efficient and accurate. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by opening your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. It's a simple step but essential, as everything we'll be doing hinges on having the document ready in the Acrobat workspace. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen, where you'll find what is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. It's that three-line icon that gives you access to a variety of options and settings. By clicking on the hamburger menu, a drop-down list will appear. From here, navigate to the View option, hover over Show Hide, then move over to Rulers and Grids, and finally select Rulers. This action will bring up the rulers on your page, which you can use to align and measure various elements in your document. With the rulers visible, you now have a reference point that runs horizontally and vertically along the edges of your PDF. Now, here comes a handy feature. You can create guides using the ruler. Click directly on the ruler and hold your cursor down as you drag. This will allow you to create either vertical or horizontal guides on your document. Simply drag them to the position where you need them in your layout. These guides are incredibly useful for creating alignments across different parts of your document and ensuring everything lines up perfectly. At any time, you can click on these guides to adjust them. Maybe you need to fine-tune their placement or make room for additional content. Adjusting the guides is just a click and drag away, offering you flexibility and precision. If you find that the guides you've created are no longer necessary, or perhaps you made too many, fear not. You can easily remove them by right-clicking on the ruler and selecting Clear Guides on Page. This simple action will clean up your workspace, leaving you with a fresh canvas to work from. Finally, a helpful tip for those who might be working with different units of measurement. You can right-click on the ruler on Windows or control-click on Mac to change the measurement units to something like inches, centimeters, or whatever best suits your project needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently use and customize rulers in Adobe Acrobat, aiding in the creation of well-aligned and professional documents. I hope this guide makes your document preparation easier and more precise. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.